Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your modem already has internet, and you disable any extra router or set it to bridge mode so there's no double NAT. Once done, install the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account, making sure Bluetooth and location permissions are allowed for discovery. Then you physically connect the Nest router to your modem with an Ethernet cable and plug in power. You'll watch the LED pulse as the device boots and prepares to pair. You'll follow the Google Home prompts to create your network name and a strong password, and you should pick an SSID that's easy to identify for all devices. After the main router is online, add any additional Nest points by tapping Add, Set up Device, New Device, and scanning the QR code on each unit. This extends coverage automatically. Make sure you place points centrally away from microwaves and thick concrete walls, and keep automatic firmware updates. You finish by running the speed test in the Google Home app to verify download and upload rates and check that wired devices are recognized. Once done, optimize placement or connect points with Ethernet backhaul for maximum throughput, and configure guest network and parental controls if required. If something goes wrong, reboot the modem and Nest router together first. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on the Nest unit and consult the device LED codes. This single troubleshooting step fixes most persistent connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.